how would you define developer advocacy as a role? How do you think it's distinct from like a traditional like marketing role, for instance?
I think marketing roles are a little less technical. I think you can market something without actually understanding how to use it. I don't think that you have to know how to build a robot to be able to like do a marketing role in a robotics company. I think in developer advocacy, you have to be technical. You have to be able to code. You have to be able to build the thing that the developers are actually using your tool for. Because if you're not using the same tool, you're not going to understand their pain points. So I think one main difference is actually like knowing the tools ins and outs and be able to implement the same things that your customers are also implementing and be able to help them with their problems. Another thing is I see developer advocacy as advocating for external developers, but also advocating for internal developers, because your engineers will build a feature. You, as a developer advocate, want to be the first person who tests that tool and give them feedback, because that's way better than an external customer testing it and saying, this is not good, or this has this bug, or I would prefer it to function this way. So you also act as basically a liaison between the internal team versus like the external team who's testing the tool. It's a very good space to be if you want to take feedback from external developers, give it to internal developers, and then basically do the same. If someone builds something internally, you can take it to external developers, get feedback, and like improve the tooling. So I like that it works well with both internal developers and external developers.